Hello everyone, wishing all of you a very happy Children's Day. I would like to provide you with some known and unknown facts about the person whose birthday we observed as Children's Day. Children's Day, also known as Bal Divas, is celebrated all over India to create awareness for the right education and care among children. It is observed every year on 14 November as a tribute to the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Do you know, children, that Pandit Nehru was lovingly and fondly known as Chacha Nehru among you all? No doubt Nehru was an anti-colonial nationalist. He was a secular, humanist and a social democrat, a great politician and a widely admired author. When he was in prison, he wrote books which included a letter from a father to his daughter, an autobiography, Discovery of India. These books are widely read all around the world. Tracing back to Nehru's early life, he was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad, which was a part of British India then. Nehru's father, Motilal Nehru, was a self-made wealthy barrister and his mother was Sarup Rani Thuso. Nehru was married to Kamala Nehru and they had a beautiful daughter named Indira, who later on followed the footsteps and legacy of her father. Nehru went to England to study. He had his schooling in Harrow School and then he had his higher studies from Trinity College, Cambridge. He was then trained in law at the Inner Temple to become a barrister. After returning from England, he enrolled himself at the Allahabad High Court and because he wanted to settle himself as a barrister. But Nehru was interested in politics and gradually he got himself involved into politics, which later became his full-time occupation. In 1930s and 40s, he dominated the Indian national movement. In 1940, the All India National Congress, under the presidency of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru at its Lahore session, adopted the resolution of Purna Swaraj or complete independence. Upon independence on 15th August 1947, Nehru delivered a remarkable speech at the Constituent Assembly entitled as Tryst with Destiny. One of the remarkable lines from his speech, Tryst with Destiny: at the stroke of midnight hour when the earth sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. In 1952, India had its first general election and the Indian National Congress, because of its contribution in the Indian national movement, came out with massive victory and Pandit Nehru was sworn in as the first Prime Minister of India. Under Pandit Nehru's leadership, the All India National Congress became a catch-all party and dominated the politics both at the national and at the state level and won election in 1952, 1957 and 1962. We cannot deny the contribution of Pandit Nehru even in the international affairs. He was one of the major architects of the non-aligned movement. After 1962, there was a deterioration in the health of Pandit Nehru and finally in the year 1964, on 27th May at the age of 74, Nehru passed away due to cardiac arrest. To conclude, Pandit Nehru's contribution both in pre-India and post-independent India is really praiseworthy. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.